For ANOVA, the hypotheses are pretty easy. So for us, the null is simply that we're thinking all the group population means are the same. The alternative is that at least one pair of means is different. If you think back to chi-squared, this is kind of similar, but with chi-squared we had proportions, where now we're talking about means. So if I write out the null down here and I want to write it shorthanded, I can do the null is that mean 1 equals mean 2 equals mean 3, all the way up to the mean of the number of samples I have. My null is at least 2 of the group means are not equal. This is a really good example to show you what I mean. So for A up here, you can see that almost the means are almost the same. This dotted line, remember, is the median, but these are pretty close in shape. And these are box plots, if you remember, so they're pretty close to each other. If you look down here, for B, they're pretty different. So the group A, the null hypothesis is true. They're basically all the same, so I can say that they're statistically the same. Where down here, they're not the same, so there's differences going on that I need to account for. When you run ANOVAs, and you're doing this, say that you go into the business classes or you're doing nursing stuff, when you run an ANOVA, if you look at the box plots, it can help you determine what's really going on so you can be more secure in your answer. So again, the null hypothesis, you can write it out. So say here I have 5 samples. So my null is that the mean of sample 1 equals the mean of sample 2 equals the mean of sample 3 equals the mean of sample 4 equals the mean of sample 5. My alternative, not all my means for mean 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 are the same, are equal. So you can see the alternative written a couple other ways, and you can write it the way you want it. Just make sure it makes sense to you. For this lesson, we're going to use the website. I think we use this on one means Z and t-test. It's the social statistics site. And if you go to the test page, it's the first test on the page. It's the one-way ANOVA without repeated measures.